Three major airports. They're looking a lot quieter than they did 1 week ago ahead of Thanksgiving, and health officials would like things to continue that way. Good evening, I'm Elizabeth Cook.
And I'm Ken Bastida. KPIX 5's Wilson Walker is live at Oakland's airport with the CDC's new travel guidelines ahead of the winter holidays. Wilson?
Well, last week, Ken, CDC was begging everyone to cancel their Thanksgiving travel plans. Now they would like to see everyone canceling their travel plans for the foreseeable future.
I've traveled a lot during the pandemic. Tons of safety measures, people being very careful.
Many of the passengers drifting through the Oakland airport today were not traveling for pleasure.
No, I'm traveling for work.
And while airport staff was busy hanging stockings, the CDC was again asking everyone to cancel their winter holiday season travel plans.
Given the state of things, I can understand limiting travel for recreational purposes or leisure purposes.
So what exactly does the winter holiday travel season mean? Well, listen to how CDC Director Robert Redfield describes the near term.
The reality is December and January and February are going to be rough times. I actually believe they're going to be the most difficult time in the public health history of this nation, largely because of the stress that it's going to put on our healthcare system.
No, I don't think people are going to go for it. I think that I like the way that it's going. It's gone the completely opposite way, like the fear of COVID and how much COVID versus like that fear now and how much there actually is now.
Some passengers tell us they are skeptical that the public will embrace the new guidelines. Remember, more than 1 million people passed through the airports on Sunday, a pandemic high, but still 59% below the same day in 2019. Others say their first reaction is the hardship this will cause for everyone downstream in the travel industry.
It's not just the people that travel that are affected, but all the people that work for the airlines, all the people that work at hotels, all the places that people are going are very affected.
So, Wilson, you showed people there. Some of them have 2 masks on. Some of them have shields and a mask on. What other guidelines are they offering for people who decide they do want to travel?
Well, if you do travel, they suggest 2 tests, one before you go, one when you're finished traveling. They have also raised the alert level for Mexico, which has been a popular close getaway for people looking to seemingly escape the pandemic. Numbers are up there. They're advising people not to travel to Mexico. And they also gave a little bit of updated thinking on what they're looking for coming out of Thanksgiving. Everyone's been talking about, that 5 to 6 days away from the holiday. They think it might be 10 days away from Sunday. They think that the travel from the weekend is going to wind down, and what we're really going to see from Thanksgiving is going to show up about 10 days from there. So stay tuned for what we really see coming out of that holiday. And they clearly expect more through December.
Yeah. Well, hopefully it's not as bad as they think it is. All right. Wilson Walker reporting live from Oakland's International Airport. Thanks, Wilson.